Hello, are you currently having issues connecting to the internet? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips on how you can solve your Wi-Fi issue. By the time you're done watching this video, I guarantee you that one of the steps is going to definitely sort your Wi-Fi issue. So without further ado, let me go show you how to fix this. Before going to doing that, if you're not part of this YouTube community, come on, what are you waiting for? You know, I love it when you use your superpowers, right? So smash the subscription button and like this video so that the algorithm will push this video to more awesome people like you that are experiencing the Wi-Fi issue. So now that I've done that, come on, let me get you back online.
The first way to clear this issue is by clearing the Proxy settings via internet options and legacy settings. So to do that, press Windows plus your R. It brings this, so it brings your run, and you are supposed to type this l.cpl, then hit enter. So inetcpl.cpl, hit enter. It's going to bring the internet settings properties for you. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go to connections. It's pretty easy. Click on connections, then go down to LAN settings. So under LAN settings, you are going to see here by default you are going to see use Proxy server for your LAN. So this is this. It's going to see stuff like http:/12.0.0. so this is the port that was obstructing the connection. So what you're going to do, you're going to untoggle it, right? Then you click on OK, or you can even put it on automatic detection. That should work in some cases, but in this place, if you leave everything blank, it's going to be on automatic. Then click on OK and click on apply and click on OK. That's number one. It's going to fix that. So if that doesn't fix it, let's do the second steps. So the second step is also very easy, but we are going to be using command prompt. So you press Windows plus C, you open your command prompt. So you go to command prompt, then you right click on it and you click on run as an administrator. So that's it. So you don't need to give permission, so you don't need to do any special thing. So you go back and write the command net hijacks reset, hit enter. So here successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete that. So you can also do, so this is for the network protocol. You can also do, you can reset the protocol, right, and also the IP config. So to do that for the protocol, you do net int IP reset. So here you're going to repeat all your IP addresses. It's going to reset it. So it has done it. So you see resetting. So here the path, like the neighbors, the multicast address, everything is okay. It will first of all check for it, then reset all of it. Then lastly, if you want to build IP config, you can do IP config /flush. So here DNS, so all the DNS servers can flush out, but I can delete all the DNS servers too. Then click on OK. Here you see Windows IP configuration successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So like all the cache for the DNS, it's going to be flushed. So here you resetted your IP, you resetted like the Windows network protocol and the DNS service. So your Wi-Fi will be working very well. So tell me which one works for you, and if you have any issues, drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to attend to you. So bye. I hope this fixes your network issues, and if you're not subscribed to me yet, what are you waiting for?